here I go.
What you making, Bug?
Something wonderful for my daddy.
Are you testing it? Stirring it up. Si, what are you doing? Oh, Mimi. Oh, well. You want to let Si have a turn?
No.
Okay. Let me rephrase that. Silas, put the scissors down. Awesome. And we are gonna let Silas have a turn. Stir, stir, stir. Si, what are you making?
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay. That makes sense.
When we always, Silas.
Do you have something to say to your daddy?
Mm-mm.
No? Mimi, anything to say to your daddy?
I love you, Daddy.
Oh.
Love you, Daddy.